Hello again, YouTube. So, got another volume of progressive music today. Box set by Grapefruit. Grapefruit, I mean. And it is People in My Brain, the British progressive pop sounds of 1971. And, of course, this selection focuses on some of the music released during that time. And we got some big names again. Kevin Ayers and The Whole World. The Hollies. Stray is on here. Barclay James Harvest. Samurai. Cressida. The Move. Magna Carta is also here. The Edgar Broughton Band. That's nice. Curved Air. Procol Harum. Jerry Rafferty, he's on here. Zyor. And who else is on here? Emerson, Lake and Palmer, Status Quo, Atomic Rooster, and the Kinks. The Kinks are also on here. And plus Kingdom Come. So, yeah. Some more progressive music here on this collection. And that'll be it for this video. I'll be leaving a link to my last one, and also the links to my first 3 books available for purchase on Amazon in the description below. And to all at YouTube, have a good day.